Want to unlock a bounty of homegrown herbs, greens, and veggies even in small spaces? In our video today, we're going to talk about this year's top indoor smart gardens that feature innovative technology like self-watering systems, plant nutrient monitors, and customizable LED lighting that takes the guessing out of gardening. So, without further ado, let's begin.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
The Click and Grow Indoor Herb Garden makes it delightfully simple to grow fresh herbs and veggies in your own home. This self-contained system takes the guesswork out of gardening with its innovative LED lights and self-watering planter. Just add the pre-seeded plant pods, fill the reservoir, plug it in, and watch your plants thrive. With over 50 pods to choose from, you can grow delicious herbs like basil, cilantro, and thyme, or even mini vegetables like chili peppers. The energy-efficient LED lights are designed to give your plants everything they need to flourish, regardless of outdoor conditions. Once harvested, transplant your homegrown herbs into pots or garden beds. Whether you have a black thumb or limited outdoor space, the Click and Grow Garden opens up a world of flavor and freshness right on your countertop. It's a joy to use and makes any cooking or DIY project more fun with homegrown ingredients. Homegrown herbs and veggies are just a few clicks away with Arog Garden's Bounty Elite Indoor Garden. This sleek stainless steel system makes it simple for anyone to become an indoor farmer. With room for up to 9 plants under the full spectrum, 50-watt LED light, you can grow a vibrant mini garden right on your countertop. The Bounty Elite takes the guesswork out of gardening with an automatic timer for the lights, a digital screen with growth stats, and reminders for adding water and plant food. It even connects to Wi-Fi and Alexa for smart home integration. Watch your Genovese basil, curly parsley, dill, and more grow up to 5 times faster than outdoors. Then use your fresh herbs to take your cooking to new heights. Compatible seed kits allow you to try different plants at any time. Whether you travel often or lack outdoor space, the self-watering Bounty Elite brings the joy of gardening year-round. It takes the frustration out of growing herbs and makes kitchen creativity a daily delight. Forget struggling to grow veggies and reap all the nutritional benefits with Ingarden's fuss-free microgreens kit. This sleek hydroponic system delivers a hassle-free way to boost wellness through the power of superfood greens. The automated LED light and watering system lets you grow nutritious microgreens 4x faster than soil. No green thumb is required. Simply place the pre-seeded pads into the stylish planter, fill it with water, and let the cutting-edge tech take care of the rest. Enjoy fresh microgreens like zesty arugula, peppery kale, and robust broccoli packed with vitamins and minerals in just 7-10 days. Beyond health perks, Ingarden aims to empower sustainability from its biodegradable materials to donating meals for every kit sold. So you can feel good nourishing your body while giving back. For anyone seeking the dense nutrition of microgreens without the typical challenges, Ingarden takes the guesswork out of gardening. Now growing superfood greens is as easy as pressing a button. The Smart Grow House from Modern Sprout turns any room into a year-round garden oasis. This self-contained growing system takes the uncertainty out of indoor gardening with its built-in full-spectrum LED light and accompanying app. Optimized for herbs, leafy greens, succulents, and more, it supplies plants with the precise blend of light they need to stay vigorous. Setup takes moments with the watertight planter that's a cinch to plant, water, and harvest from. Use the manual switch or customize schedules and recommendations in the app to nourish everything from basil to cacti. With a stylish brass design, the grow house doubles as a chic piece of decor for counters, hanging displays, and more. For city dwellers with limited outdoor space or anyone seeking to cultivate greens amid winter, Modern Sprout's automated growing innovation makes homegrown plants achievable for even novice gardeners. It sustains beautiful, bountiful harvests that will elevate recipes and brighten living spaces year-round. Homegrown herbs and veggies are just weeks away with Rise Garden's sleek, space-saving hydroponic garden. Perfect for urban dwellers and anyone wanting farm-fresh produce sans the hassle. This indoor smart garden lets you easily cultivate greens, herbs, fruits, and vegetables without soil, bugs, or a green thumb. At just 18 inches wide, it fits perfectly on counters and requires only occasional refills of the self-watering reservoir. The custom LED light panel mimics natural sunlight so plants thrive, while the intuitive app controls schedules and reminds when to add included nutrients. Setup takes minutes with the starter kit's 8 pre-seeded pods, then grow new pods anytime to try different plants. Whether starting your sustainable garden or gifting a foodie, Rise Gardens unlocks a world of creative flavors on your countertop with zero guesswork involved. You'll enjoy watching your seedlings flourish into vibrant plants, reaping homegrown ingredients to elevate everyday meals for months to come. It brings all the joy of gardening into any space, year-round. Homegrown herbs and vegetables are just weeks away with Arog Garden's user-friendly Harvest indoor gardening system. Perfect for cooks, urban dwellers, and anyone seeking an effortless way to cultivate fresh produce, this hydroponic countertop garden takes the guesswork out of growing. Just add water and plant the included gourmet herb pods in the roomy grow deck under the full-spectrum LEDs. Then watch your Genovese basil, Thai basil, parsley, and more grow abundantly, up to 5 times faster than soil. The Harvest's illuminated control panel makes gardening a breeze, reminding you when to add liquid plant food from the included bottle. With space for 6 plants up to 12 inches tall and an auto light timer that mimics natural sunlight, it delivers quick, mess-free growth without taking over your kitchen. Whether gifting a budding chef or embracing your own sustainable garden, Arog Garden's Harvest unlocks simple, self-contained abundance. You'll be clipping fresh herbs to elevate home cooking in no time. This hydroponic herb garden unlocks year-round bounty and beauty without the mess of soil. Perfect for urban dwellers and anyone seeking simplified gardening. It lets you easily grow flowers, herbs, greens, and more with just water and light. The energy-efficient 24-watt LED grow light panel delivers the full sunlight spectrum to nourish plants exactly as needed. Adjustable brightness and height cater to different plants, while 3 timer settings ensure ideal growth cycles. See your basil, mint, and other herbs flourish through every stage. The included net pots simplify planting and make refreshing your indoor oasis effortless anytime. Whether gifting a budding chef or embracing your own sustainable garden, this fuss-free hydroponic kit makes homegrown ingredients achievable for even novice gardeners. It brings the joy of gardening inland, letting your fresh herbs and veggies enhance home cooking and brighten living spaces no matter the weather. Growing produce has never been so wonderfully mess-free. So those were our picks for the 7 best indoor smart gardens. Do let us know which one you'd be interested in, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.